Global Meditation, Restoring Your Energy. Relax and move your body into a comfortable position. Focus on your breathing. Inhaling and pulling fresh energy into your body and into your head. Hold your breath. Exhale and blow out through your mouth all stale, used up energy. Continue inhaling fresh energy in and blowing stale, used up energy out until I rejoin you. Breathe normally and relax. Hold the fresh new energy in your head. Now you will create your resonant energy balloon, a moving field of energy that is yours, a ball of energy all around you, where you float inside. A ball of energy that, if you so desire, can hold your radiation in, storing your vibrant personal energy and keeping it vibrant and available. Also, it protects you from any external, unwanted, outside energy or messages entering you. This is the protective nature of your resonant energy balloon. You are ready now to create your resonant energy balloon. Let the energy you have stored, let it flow out the top of your head. Then turn it down. All around you. And let it flow down and re-enter from the bottoms of your feet. Let it flow out the top of your head. Then turn it down. All around you, and let it flow down and re-enter from the bottoms of your feet. Continue this flow out the top of your head like a fountain, entering again the bottoms of your feet. I'll give you time to do this. Breathe normally and relax. You have created around you, and you are inside your own resonant energy balloon, a moving field of vital energy that, whenever you have it in place, two conditions exist. First, it holds within you all the radiation that is you, so you can save and concentrate your own vital energy. Second, your resonant energy balloon secures and protects you from any external unwanted energy or energy fields that you may encounter. Unless you open it by your own initiative, it will perform these two actions whenever you enhance it and have it flowing around you. You can open any part of this strong energy field around you to receive desired energy. Or you may send your own energy and radiation away from you. Relax now. Feel and understand the power and protection of your resonant energy balloon. I will join you when it's time to return. You will now return to full physical waking consciousness as I count from 10 to 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1. Open your eyes, breathe deeply, stretch your arms and legs, and welcome back.